You alright?
Hello. I look so little.
I know, so it looks really far away. Hi guys, it's been a while.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I'm literally so excited.
When did we film the last one? Was it Park Life?
No.
It was Park Life.
Was it? That's over a year
It was
ago.
fucking Park Life, I swear to God. Too long, too long.
Too long. Okay, so it is currently
the hottest day known to man.
I was literally about to say the hottest day I've ever experienced in my 23 years of living now.
It doesn't help that this apartment is
an actual
10 times worse. Yeah.
But yeah, it's such a beautiful day. It feels like a Saturday.
It does feel like a Saturday. This week has been completely thrown off because of Anne's birthday. Like, I keep feeling like every day is like a Sunday or a Tuesday.
I don't really know what's going on. What do we do in Manchester other than go to Duke when the sun's out? Like, realistically,
you can't do anything else but that.
No.
We've got that, and then we've got the rooftop bar. So excited about that. Oh my god, who's this? I can't FaceTime like this. No.
So we're filming obviously a Get Ready With Us. I cannot believe how long it's been.
I know.
If it was actually Park Life, that's quite upsetting.
Yeah, literally. These are my favourite videos to film because they're so chill. I look like a rat, so...
Fucking never do.
No, I actually do.
No, but like,
I didn't really sleep well last night because it was that warm, so my eyes just look black.
Lovely. I really want under eye filler, but also like that.
I know,
she told me, so
same.
Absolutely not. I'm trying to think where
I might actually start on skin today.
Really?
Who am I?
Really? Oh my god, okay.
What?
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh yeah, I'm doing minimal today. Sorry.
Fuck, right, so it's just gonna be me sat here by the end, like still doing like a full face of black. Like, it's fine.
By the way, I am the bitch that uses eye cream now.
Wait, do you never use eye cream?
No, do you not remember when we filmed that video for Rach's channel? Or was it your channel? No, it was the makeup bag swap. That was for yours.
Oh.
And you was like, Mads, do you have eye cream? I was like, no.
And I was like, what am I actually going to do? My eyes are going to dry and shrivel up.
Getting on. I mean, we're both 23. Well, I'm 23 this month.
This month?
Is it this month? Is it August yet?
Or is it 30th?
Oh, it's the 31st. Okay. So,
right,
next month, but like technically this month.
Less than a month's time.
So, we're getting on. We need to start using anti-aging.
Absolutely. I'm just sat here like I've got a New York, like actually just...
Oh my god, it's just chill. This is what I love about Get Ready With Me. Is like I much prefer them to makeup tutorials because you can just be like,
you can just sit here and chat.
Cock a leg up.
I actually think like I've basically had a 7-day bender at this point and I'm not really sure how we're actually still going.
Oh my god,
I'm gonna die. I mean, absolutely yes.
I love day drinking because it's literally a day of drinking.
And then like you get in, it's a reasonable time, like, you can go to bed.
You want to take out, chill out,
yes.
go to bed, and then you actually wake up fresh because you stop drinking. Oh, goodbye.
See you later.
Do you know what? The first week I moved into this apartment, I genuinely thought there was a ghost in here.
I actually thought my like old apartment was haunted.
No,
like I swear to God, like.
Oh my god,
maybe I'm just like
crazy.
That actually. Like I swear to God, I have vivid memories of like, oh my god, it's actually gonna sound like I'm crazy, but like I remember being sat on the floor, like you know when you sat at the foot of the bed on the floor.
Yeah.
And like I have a vivid memory of like it was dead silent, and then something like whispered in my right ear. No. I was like, that's when I knew I was moving.
Hell no.
Hell no. Like I don't know if I was actually just going a bit crazy. Like maybe I probably was. But I have a proper vivid memory of it. Oh my god, I'm really unsure about what to do with this makeup because
I know, same. I was going to start on my skin, but I actually don't know what I'm doing with my eyes.
No.
I feel like that is the main part.
I'm incapable of doing like skin before eyes now. Even if I do like the most minimal eye, like I still have to do my eyes first. I don't know why. Oh my god, guys, it was literally the funniest bit in my vlog that I cut out. Of Mads literally like...
No, seriously, she sent the clip and I was like, Han, please don't keep that in, that's so bad.
You're like, my dad will not look at me the same if you upload that.
Oh my god, where's my voice? I, on Sunday, so we went to a brunch.
It was, do you know, so many people asked me where that was, because it was such a good night.
I really hope they start doing it every month, but it wasn't actually like, that wasn't the place, it was just an event at Zook. But we went, got absolutely disgusting.
We hadn't eaten since breakfast. Like, it was bad. Like, we were probably ready for like 3. We ate breakfast at like 10, so we weren't really hungry at 3. So then we started pre-drinking. So by the time we got there, we were quite drunk, but then you don't want like a full meal when you're drunk anyway.
No.
So we literally did not eat anything until we got back home that night. Which, like,
as soon as I start drinking, the last thing on my mind is food.
Yeah.
Until like
until midnight. Yeah. No, same.
So I got absolutely disgusting, and I came home and basically passed out.
Oh my, it was so funny. I also was like, I'm really scared. Like, Madson's just passed out.
It was so good. That one was probably one of my favourite nights of my birthday.
That was probably my favourite night of my birthday. Like, because the thing was, like, Friday and Saturday, even though we did drink, it's like knowing that you've got to still be doing something the next day.
You don't want to go too hard.
And it's like, I've got to be awake the next day. Like, I don't really want to drink too much. Like, I've still got like a day or 2 of drinking. Yeah. But then when it got to Sunday, like, we just had nothing to do on the Monday, so it was like.
And it was nice that it was a little bit later on, even though it was a brunch. Like, it was nice that we had all morning to chill. Had our hair done. Honestly, having your hair done. Oh shit. Having your hair done just is,
I don't know what it does, but it really, like,
because I couldn't have my makeup done because I like do my own makeup. Like, I know what I like on my face.
Yeah, I'm the same.
But hair, just sitting and having your hair done, I don't know why, but you just feel more put together.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, it's such a treat as well. Like, I just feel like doing my hair causes me stress, so then the process of getting ready is so much more like less fun.
And it was quite warm on the Sunday as well, so I can't imagine with the curlers. I mean, obviously the woman that did our hair had curlers on, but when you're like moving around and I think that's all I'm doing on my eyes, to be honest.
Lovely. What did you use for your wing? Was it Benefit?
Benefit?
Yeah,
always. I'm sorry guys, this is going to be really boring on my behalf because I'm not really doing much, but I can't think about it.
I'm actually waiting to like have a serious hangover at some point. Like, I've not had a serious hangover in a while.
Oh really?
Yeah.
No, to be honest, I didn't, even though on Sunday I was quite ill. I wasn't hungover on the Monday morning.
No, I've not had like a really bad hangover in quite a while.
Yeah, me neither, to be honest.
No rest for the wicked.
No, I love that you said that. No rest for the wicked.
No rest for the wicked.
So I'm going to put a lash on, like a baby lash.
I think I'm putting a lash on.
Are you putting a lash on? Okay.
Because like, I feel like lashes will stay on all day. It's my skin makeup that I'm worried about.
I've got these ones by Eldora, but I don't know if I like them. And then I've got Holly's lashes in that bitch.
Really want to buy some of those.
They're so good.
You know what trip I really miss? The Anastasia trip with like me, Rach, Jack, Jack and Jake.
Yeah, and we met up with like Gary.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that trip was honestly one of my favourites. It was so good.
Like that night where we all stayed up and just like ate pizza.
Oh
like,
yeah.
It was so much fun.
Do you remember how jet lagged we were? We was literally waking up at 5 AM and going to sleep at like 7.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's put a lash on or not.
To be fair, your actual eyelashes look so good.
They look really long at the minute. I don't know
like,
what's going on.
What have you done to your eye?
I don't know, but like something's going on.
You actually look like you got extensions on. Like,
really?
I'm in shock, yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait to go back to Janet.
Oh,
Janet, I miss you.
Get me there right now.
Get me there right now.
Oh,
we need to book it before Mykonos.
Yeah. Which, by the way, we haven't actually told everyone. We have booked is it Mykonos?
I don't know.
We have
pronounced everything on the channel wrong anyway. People come to me all the time and they're like, that's how you pronounce it. I'm like,
that's me. Like, I literally never know how to pronounce stuff. But yeah, we booked it and suddenly can't wait. I feel like I'm tempted to like just do very minimal skin.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, even though it's kind of a heavy eye, I'm like,
I feel like your eyes look good though if you've got like just skin that looks like your skin but looks perfect. Yeah, if that makes sense. I went through a phase. I don't know whether it's because I said this on my Get Ready With Me, but I don't know whether it was because I was moving and change and whatever. Right. But my skin went so bad.
Really?
Yeah, it was really bad. But I just thought, I feel like for me, the more products I use on my skin, the more it just aggravates it. Yeah. So I just left it.
Yeah. I feel like now that I know what my skin like will put up with, I only use that, like, and just nothing else. Because
what do you usually use if you've got spots?
I actually, like, touch wood, have not had a spot since I've come off my pill.
Thank
and
God.
that was, like, I swear to God, like, that was my biggest worry.
It had already happened by now, didn't it? Like when you last came off
I'm
your
pretty
pill.
sure it had.
Yeah,
I get like tiny little baby spots on like my nose, but you can't really see them.
Yeah.
But I've not had like bad breakouts because my skin last year, like, it wasn't the worst, but it really did just like.
I remember you was really down about it.
Yeah, like I just. Because
I tried worse though, is there?
Yeah, and it's like, I feel like when you just keep trying stuff and it's just not working, it's really just like disheartening.
Yeah, it is.
But I use that Embryolisse stuff now, which I feel like I actually tried that from you once.
Oh really?
Yeah, I feel like you had that, like
the
that
moisturiser.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? A little pot. It's so cute, isn't it? It's what I used to do my under eye powder. It's really good.
Oh really?
Right, this eyelash will have to go in the bin if it's not careful. Me and this eyelash will fall out drastically.
Tinted moisturiser is the one today.
Laura Mercier tinted moisturiser is the best tinted
So
moisturiser.
good.
It is so good.
Right, okay.
Moisturiser.
Have you got cream bronzer?
I do, you know me.
Excellent.
It is not my makeup without some cream bronzer.
Oh my god, I'm sweating my back off. Like, this is not fun.
Absolutely same. Like, do we open the door yet? We just suck it off and open the door.
I'm just going to sit here like this for a minute.
I really miss Park Life, you know.
Same.
Park Life last year, like, me and Mads actually had the best
time. With my hair?
What are you doing
I
back
don't
here?
know.
Oh
my god, Park Life. Do you know what? The best bit about Park Life was actually walking home.
Oh my god.
That was so fun.
Literally, like, probably we were walking for like 3 hours, but it was so much
I remember
fun.
the next day, no, we were literally dead.
I've never looked so ugly in my whole life. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I actually looked in the mirror and I was really. What the fuck just happened there?
Lovely. And then we got locked out, so we had to climb through my window.
Didn't you like hop over the fence?
Yeah.
How the fuck did you manage that?
I had to hop over the fence to open the back door and then crawl in, and then I still didn't have keys, so then you had to climb in the window.
Oh my god, and I actually was not getting in that window. Like, there was just no way I was getting in that window. I love how you just go. You just like shove it into your face. Oh my god. I feel like we're actually past the point of giving a fuck as to what this makeup looks like now. Like, I swear to god. I've been putting foundation on for like 10 minutes. Like, am I okay? Both days were equally as good, I feel like. And I feel like that's quite rare.
I preferred the Sunday.
I preferred the second day, yeah.
Yeah, but Saturday was still really good. Do you remember when we got in? And then we ordered McDonald's and we passed out, and then the McDonald's didn't come
arrive
2 hours later, so I just ordered sweet corn pizza.
I remember like we'd ordered McDonald's and like I fell asleep for what I thought was like 5 minutes, and then when I woke up a Domino's was there.
2 hours later.
When the fuck did we get a Domino's? I actually thought I was going to sleep for like 5 minutes and you were like, yeah, like McDonald's shut, like I had to order pizza.
I'm going to take these lashes off. I hate them.
Oh, lovely.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, see you later.
Oh my god, so much better. So much better. To be honest, I really don't know. You're probably going to watch this back and think, what is she doing? Because I just put mascara on, now I'm taking it off. Hello. It's coming off. Do you know what it is, yeah? I was in the middle of full B and natural, and I feel like that in between just does not work. Yeah. So we're starting again.
I literally intended to actually wear no makeup to Duke's, and now I've got a full face of makeup on it, and I'm like, what the fuck am I doing?
Love that. I am just gonna look like an absolute weirdo in this whole video, because suddenly I've got lashes on, then I've not, then I'm putting my mascara on, now I'm taking it off.
No,
like,
it actually is one of those days, like.
It really is. I just feel like, even now I've took that off, I already look better. Like, that makeup was fucking horrible. Do you know what? I feel like I need a glass of wine.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Lovely.
Oh my god, do you want your present?
Yeah. Hannah Renee, no you did not. Oh my god.
So Matt's got me this bracelet for my birthday. This is what I mean. I was gonna save it for your birthday, but I was like, it's kind of cheating because it's like, you've already thought of this present for me, but I was like, we can't not have matching ones.
Oh my god.
How cute is it?
Han, Do you know what? I really wanted one and I was gonna buy myself one because when I got yours I was like, it's so beautiful.
And the end's so nice.
Hi.
Oh, I can already feel his makeup sweating off.
I've got a really bad sweaty upper lip and I don't want to go about it. Just blend it into my face.
No, what actually am I going to do about that? Oh no.
I've literally just got a beauty blender and blended sweat into my face. No. Oh my god, yeah. This is the makeup that I wanted to do.
I'm still very jealous that you have so much left to do. What did you put on? Like just tinted moisturiser
and concealer, that's it. I've not got anything else on, which could have not. It's a coconut oil job today, guys.
Is that spray again? What
yeah, it's so good.
So good. It smells really fresh.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Oh god.
Well, it's drinking time.
Cheers.
I don't think, cheers. Yeah, I feel like we're probably going to end up filming mine either later on or tomorrow because it's just too hot.
Guys, I can't even explain like the discomfort I'm in. Like I actually why did I put like such a full face of makeup on? Also like what's happened to my outfit?
You look bloody gorgeous.
Gorgeous. We're filming like a friendship test for your channel, aren't we? So we're gonna ask each other like questions that we should know about each other, and we're either doing like shots or something.
Yeah, I mean I didn't know if I was drinking. If not, I was gonna do like shots of vinegar.
Oh, do you know what? I'd rather have a fucking shot of something like.
But we've still got the sambuca from you.
Seriously? You just said that so casually.
I was thinking like, I was gonna do a shot of like apple cider vinegar and then a shot of like tomato ketchup, and we have to shot that because that's fucking bio.
That is so much fucking worse. Like,
yeah, it is.
I'll take the tequila. I'll take tequila.
Yeah.
Like,
oh my god.
Oh my god.
I've never known you to actually choose tequila over anything.
Do you know what? Since Sunday, like I feel like
it's not that bad.
I've overcome my fear of tequila.
Tequila! I love tequila. Oh
like,
my god, maybe I need a shot of it today.
Do we have any? We have sambuca.
We have sambuca.
I brought like a little baby bottle of sambuca. Anyway, right, we're actually just fucking rambling. We do need to go because we're running very late. And we would not. What exactly?
No, it's the bit in Friends. We don't want to be late. We would not want to wait. What's that bit in Friends? Sorry, just ignore me. Just ignore me. It's where Phoebe says it, and it's the one where Ross is like trying to get everyone ready.
And where it's like big night out and literally everyone's being really
and he's like, we go at 8, we can't be late, and then Phoebe's like, we would not. Something, yes. Wait. Yeah, that's what I was going with, but please ignore me.
Okay, well, yeah. See you later when I've had many drinks and probably looking a lot worse for that. I mean, I already am, so fine.
I mean, I already look like Hagrid.
I want to be Hagrid right now. Like, I'd take Hagrid over being me. Fucking hell. I actually will
just say I'll take Hagrid over being me. No.
I'm actually not crying this makeup off before we can fucking be gone. Okay, thank you for watching. We love you guys so much. Cheers.
See you in the next one.
Cheers to fucking Hagrid guy.
No. Slide.
See ya.